Hey there, welcome to this video I put together about setting up your tax-free retirement account, TRFA. So in this video, we're going to cover what is a tax-free retirement account, how do you actually qualify for such an account, and 3, how can you set it up all in 30 seconds or less right now. And if you're wondering, why hasn't your financial advisor ever told you about this? Well, it's because most financial advisors don't know such an account exists. And even if they do, they don't know how to set it up to be legally tax-free for the account holder. Most financial advisors recommend products that pay the most commission. As a result, less than 1% of Americans actually have what we call a tax-free retirement account, a TRFA. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a tax-free retirement account step by step, all in 30 seconds or less. Because you see, most people use a taxable account like a 401k or an IRA. It's something we called a tax-deferred account. And with a tax-deferred account, i.e. 401k, IRA, you have to pay heavy in tax. Either upfront or at the end, you'll be taxed a lot. Your money is not liquid. You can't access your money anytime you want. And if you do, you'll get financially penalized. 3, you're limited to how much you invest because plans with the most tax benefits usually have funding limits. Your money is not protected from market risk, meaning if the market goes down, the money in your 401k IRA will go down with it. And 5, you're required to report your earnings to the IRS. So everything in your 401k, everything in your IRA, every penny you make, well, they're not your business, they're Uncle Sam's business. Now, on the other hand, here's what you get with a tax-free retirement account, a TRFA. You don't have to pay tax on the growth of your investment ever. Now, this is 100% legal only if your account is set up correctly and structured according to the current IRS tax code. 2, you can earn 30 to 40 times more interest compared to a regular bank account. Usually, a qualified individual earns around 7 to 8% a year. Your highest interest rate is guaranteed, meaning your money grows at the same yearly rate every single year, even when the market crashes. Your investment is liquid. The money you put in it is cash, and you take any amount anytime you want without penalty. And 5, under the current IRS tax code, you're not required to report earnings. The IRS doesn't classify earnings as income in this account. So the earnings you make, they're not Uncle Sam's business. And look, the tax-free retirement account, TRFA, has many other benefits. But you might be wondering, is this too good to be true? No, it's actually very true. In fact, an account like a TRFA is not even a new investment strategy. It has been used by wealthy families for decades to build wealth and pass on fortunes legally, tax-free. Say, for example, President John F. Kennedy had an account just like this. So did President Taft, President Cleveland, President McKinley, President Harding, and even President Roosevelt. In fact, Roosevelt had such a large portion of his investment, over $300,000, which is literally around 6 to 7 mil in today's dollars, inside his tax-free retirement account. And you know what? Remember this back in 2008? Even John McCain used this type of account to fund his campaign. So the only question is, do you qualify for a tax-free retirement account? Now look, this account is not just available for the super rich. However, an account like this can only be set up if your family qualifies for it. So, to discover if you qualify for a tax-free retirement account, take our 30-second survey below and see if you qualify. Complete the survey below. It takes you 30 seconds, so fill in the survey below and get your tax-free retirement account right now.